Accessories: written test multimeter / instruction manual / packing box / watch pen. DC voltage measurement. Resistance MEASUREMENTPLACE, the stylus on both sides to measure. When the buzzer is detected, a drip drip beep is emitted. CAPACITANCEPLACE, the stylus on the capacitance for measurement. ACVOLTAGEWHEN, measuring. Insert the measuring pen into the hole to measure. Hertz measurement. 0 fire detection. Insert the red pen into the hole. NCV detection, when close to the insertion, will emit a drip, drip sound.